Hello, good morning. I hope you're all well. Happy Friday to you all. I'm rather excited today because I've got some great news for you all. As some of you know, oops, we need to put the microphone on. As some of you know, last year we were running some great workshops called the Secret Workshops that taught a lot of useful skills in hypnosis and NLP, other psychological tricks to help people to feel better, to feel happier, and to get the most out of life. We loved doing those. Loads of people got great results from those. We took a bit of a pause at the start of this year, and then, of course, lockdown came along and we couldn't do any more. So we've had quite a few people saying that they're missing those workshops and could we do something else online? So today I'm pleased to say that yes, we now have a date of the 29th of June for our next secret workshop, which will be done online via Zoom. It's very easy. Once you've booked, we can send you the link so you can go onto it and you can just sit there and watch it on your smartphone, your laptop, your PC, or whatever device you want to use. So the next workshop that we're going to do is an updated version of the secrets of self-hypnosis. And I love self-hypnosis because it's one of the most powerful tools you can learn to change your life. It was massive for me. It helped me to get rid of anxiety and a stammer, built lots of self-confidence. And it's just a great way of learning lots and lots of little skills that kind of gives you that little pause when things are going on so that you can just stop and then choose how you want to feel and how you want those emotions to go. And it's a very powerful set of skills and it's very easy to learn. And once you've practiced it a few times, it just pops in there naturally. It's fantastic. It's really good. So we're going to be teaching you in a 2-hour workshop how to use the power of self-hypnosis. When I was much younger, I read lots and lots of books on it, but it was when I really went to a proper workshop and had an expert sort of teach me how to use it that I really got the hang of what I'm doing. So self-hypnosis is great if you want to make changes for yourself, but then if you're one of these light workers, a therapist, if you're working with other people to get some changes, this is where self-hypnosis comes in because there's an awful lot of things going on, such as language, posture, and you can really get much better results with other people as well as yourself when you're consciously using self-hypnosis. So just to give you some ideas of the benefits of self-hypnosis is that, first of all, it can build self-confidence and self-esteem pretty quickly. It allows you just to change that mental state to choose how you want to feel. Nice and easy, and you can learn just to switch it on just like pressing a switch. It's a great way of reducing stress, anxiety, worry, and negative thoughts. We use self-hypnosis a lot with the anxiety clients that we're working with, and it's a lovely way of just getting that done and helping you just to calm down and relax as you need to. And moving on, that's the other thing. It helps you to relax sort of anytime, anywhere, to feel good, and again, to choose those emotions. It improves meditation and mindfulness. Both of those are really good techniques, but people find once they start to bring in self-hypnosis, they get much better results. And you'll also find that self-hypnosis is a faster way of getting the same results, just in a shorter period of time. Just excuse me, because there's people ringing me now while I'm live. Okay. It allows you to control feelings and emotions, as we've mentioned. There's all these things going on and moving around, and you can just stop and relax and choose how you would like to feel. It's really good when you're trying to change results with difficult people in difficult situations. So if you're looking for a way to feel better when there's all sorts of hell breaking out, that's really useful. It helps with focus and concentration. We use it a lot with students taking exams. If you're feeling good while you're taking an exam, your results are going to feel an awful lot better. I could tell you a great story about that with me many years ago and a bit of too much alcohol, but I'll leave that till the workshop. And then it also makes changes in behavior and habits far easier. If we've got people with addictions, people trying to stop smoking, get off drugs and alcohol, self-hypnosis is a great one for doing that. So during this workshop, as I say, it's 2 hours. We're going to show you some simple methods for getting into those hypnotic states. Hypnotic states are very powerful and can be used for many things, and we'll teach you 2 or 3 great inductions of how to do that. We'll also show you how to relax faster using self-hypnosis, how to meditate, how to direct your mind to ease pain and stress and chronic pain and all these sort of issues as well. It's amazing how quickly the mind can do that. Again, it'll help you to reduce the bad habits and behaviors, focus, concentration. How this differs, how does hypnosis differ from meditation and mindfulness? That's quite important to understand that. And most importantly, we'll show you how to use it as a practical tool every day. You don't have to go into a darkened room and feel nice and quiet in there. You can do this while you're working, while you're walking, while you're riding a bike. And it's just how to improve your focus and concentration and know where you want to go with all of that. So there's so many benefits with it, and we'll teach you how to do all of this. Also, we'll cover exactly what is hypnosis, how you can use it. And then if you were wanting to go on and become a hypnotherapist or get into hypnosis a lot deeper to help other people, we're actually going to have another course that's going to run. It's going to be a bigger course later on in a month or so's time. And this will help you as an introduction to get into there. Or if you wanted to go for a full-blown qualification, it will help you with that as well. So if you're wanting to get on board with this workshop, there is a link below this video. Click on that link and book your place. Now, we do have an early bird discount, so you can save £10 on the price. However, I do need to warn you that as of this morning, I think we've only got 11 places left. We're limited to 20 places. It's going to be a group workshop. You don't have to say anything or be on video if you don't want to. You can just watch. But there will be exercises to practice along, to enjoy that experience, to actually feel like it, so that when it's finished, you can go off and you can learn. You can just try and experience straight away how to get into that hypnotic state. Yes, the big question is, can I use this to hypnotize other people? And yes, of course you can. We advise that you do go off and you practice with other people so that you're learning how to do this. And it's a great way to improve those skills. Of course, you've got to do it with consent, and we'll talk about ethics and everything. So the link to book your place is just further down. Get on there and book it as quick as you can. Once it's got to the 20, we will shut it off. You can be anywhere you want to get on this course. You don't have to be in the UK. I know we've got friends all over the world at the moment, so that's really good. And as usual, if you're wanting any help with stress, anxiety, worry, negative thoughts, and you want to do it faster, visit the website and you can book a free strategy session. I'm getting distracted now because we've got dogs making a hell of a noise outside. Book a free strategy session with me. We can have a chat on the phone for about an hour or so and see what we can do. And I look forward to seeing you all at the next workshop. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day as I try to find the button to switch it off. Have fun.